Picture a home that doesn't just follow your commands. It actually gets your moods, knows what you need before you do, and changes itself on the fly. Kinda like those living spaces in Star Trek, right? This isn't some far-off dream anymore. It's happening fast, thanks to big leaps in AI, smart materials, and design that puts people first. We're about to see a huge shift, where tech and our homes blend together, making spaces that are just as smart and flexible as the folks living in them. Home is turning into something alive, tuned in to your every move, fitting right in with your lifestyle, and making everyday life feel a little more special. Soon, houses will feel like they're breathing right along with you. We're talking about spaces that are flexible, responsive, and totally personal. Before long, the idea of a home that never changes will seem as old school as a rotary phone. Hey, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe, tap that bell, give this video a like, and let us know in the comments what sci-fi tech you wish was real. We're about to jump into how AI is turning Star Trek-style living spaces into the next big thing for our homes. The stuff you're about to see is going to totally change how you think about where you live. Stick around as we break down how AI-powered spaces are about to become a normal part of everyday life. We're talking about reimagining what it really means to feel at home. This isn't just about new gadgets. It's a whole lifestyle shift that's going to redefine comfort, creativity, and well-being. Picture waking up in a place that already knows your plans, sets the perfect vibe for your morning, and helps you start your day with an environment that's all about you. Let's forget about all those single-use gadgets, like smart thermostats or voice-activated bulbs. That's old news. Now, smart homes are turning into self-managing ecosystems. AI is running the show, blending tech with how we actually feel. Picture this. Walls that change color and texture to match your mood, furniture that shifts to fit whatever you're doing, and surfaces that go from digital screens to things you can actually touch. Imagine a home that doesn't just react. It chats with you, gets what you need, and feels like an extension of your own mind. These spaces will pick up on your vibe, respond to your gestures, and know what you want before you even say it. Even the materials in your home will be smart, able to change shape for a party or turn into a cozy nook when you want some quiet time. Let's talk about mood lighting. It's really the first step in this whole smart home transformation. Companies like Philips, Nanoleaf, and Lifix, they're leading the way with some pretty cool systems. These setups actually read your body. Stuff like your heart rate, skin changes, even tiny facial expressions, to set the vibe just right for you. So, lighting isn't just about seeing in the dark anymore. It's about creating a mood that fits you perfectly. And soon, these systems will work with things like scent diffusers, soundscapes, and even tweak the room's climate. You'll get totally immersive spaces that help you feel good, mentally and physically. Picture this. You wake up to a gentle sunrise effect, with a fresh citrus scent and energizing sounds that help you start your day in sync with your body clock. And at night, the same system switches things up. Think deep blue lights, earthy scents, and soft music, all helping you wind down for a great night's sleep. So, let's talk about adaptive walls. They're not just fancy decorations anymore. We're talking about high-tech, multi-sensory panels made from flexible screens, smart materials, and built-in sensors. Imagine your living room wall turning into a peaceful forest scene when you want to relax, or switching to a city skyline to help you focus while working from home. With AI running the show, your space can mix up visuals, sounds, and even touch, changing things up smoothly as your day goes on. These walls could double as virtual windows, giving you interactive holographic views of other places, or even whole new worlds. Down the line, you might see super realistic nature scenes, complete with changes in temperature and background sounds, turning any room into your own private getaway. Eventually, these walls could become your ticket to virtual travel. Walk through Paris or chill on a digital cliff by the ocean, all without leaving home. And it's not just walls. Interactive surfaces are breaking out of the old screen mold. Soon, your counters, tables, and even floors could have smart sensors built right in. You'll get hands-on, responsive experiences that go way beyond just tapping. Picture a kitchen island that not only shows recipes, but actually walks you through each step with AR. Your coffee table could turn into a planning station, syncing up with your calendar, to-do lists, and even your remote teammates. When it's time for fun, These surfaces can switch into gaming or VR mode, making your furniture part of the action. Floors with smart sensors could even give you feedback for workouts or dance sessions, right in your living room. As all this tech gets better, even your walls and ceilings might become interactive, turning whole rooms into spaces for work, play, or just kicking back. Here's where things get really cool. These AI systems don't just follow orders, they actually grow with you. Instead of just reacting to what you say, they pick up on your habits, what you like, and even your moods, learning and adapting all the time. With edge computing, your smart home can react instantly and keep your private info safe, since it handles sensitive stuff right there at home instead of sending it out. Picture this. Your home notices when you're stressed and automatically sets the mood, dimming the lights, adjusting the temp, playing calming sounds, or even suggesting a quick meditation or a little VR getaway to help you recharge. These systems will soon be able to nudge you toward healthier habits, using your own biofeedback to gently guide your routines and help you feel your best. Your home basically becomes your wellness buddy, giving you little boosts throughout the day, helping you stay productive, balanced, and even sleep better. Big names like Samsung and LG are leading the way here. But it's the smaller, creative companies like Ori Living, Kyuko, and Smart Deco that are really shaking things up. Imagine furniture with built-in robotics, beds that fold away when you're up, desks that pop out when you need to work. It's all about making the most of your space, exactly when you need it. And shelving that moves itself around? That's not just a wild idea for the future. It's already showing up in high-end homes right now. Think about walls that can expand or shrink your rooms on demand, or floors that change how they feel under your feet depending on what you're doing, or smart mirrors that give you health tips, help with your posture, or even let you try on outfits virtually. These homes are turning into flexible ecosystems, ready to switch things up for whatever you need. Whether it's a workout, an art project, a work meeting, or just some quiet time to relax. With all these cool advances, we've got to talk about privacy and ethics. The more our homes get to know us, the more we need strong security to keep everything safe. That's why developers are building on-device AI, better encryption, and clear data practices, so you get all the perks without giving up your privacy. Rules and regulations are catching up too, making sure these smart systems work for you, not for some company spying on your life. The goal? A home that's truly yours, personal, safe, and private. In the future, AI will ask for your permission before using your data, letting you decide exactly what gets shared in your home. Building ethical AI is at the heart of all this, protecting your freedom while making your space feel more you than ever. Trust and openness will be the foundation of tomorrow's smart homes. Picture this. You walk in after a long day, and your home just gets it. The lights shift to a cozy glow, your favorite scent fills the air, and a chill playlist starts up to help you relax. At the same time, maybe the walls show a calming ocean view and the kitchen gets your meal ready. Your house becomes a real partner, always looking out for your mood and well-being. Your home might even suggest a custom wind-down routine, like a quick meditation or a holographic yoga class right in your living room. Over time, these little moments will turn into a smooth back and forth where your home just knows what you need, so much so you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Imagine your home quietly tracking your stress and nudging you to take a break, helping you find a better, more balanced way to live. Take a moment. Just think about it. If the idea of a home that gets you and grows with you sounds awesome, go ahead and hit that like button. Drop a comment and let me know. Which Star Trek-inspired feature would you want in your place first? Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss our deep dives into how these cool technologies are changing the way we live. Your thoughts really drive these conversations, and together, we'll figure out how to make these sci-fi dreams real. The future of living isn't just on the way, it's already here, and you're a big part of it. As these new ideas take off, we'll shape a world where homes aren't just places to crash, but smart, dynamic partners in our everyday lives. With AI, flexible design, and people-first innovation coming together, what home means is getting a total makeover. Instead of just being a backdrop, your home's about to become a co-creator in your daily life, always adapting, always in tune. The spaces we live in won't just hold our stuff, they'll vibe with us, making it easier to think clearly, feel good, and get creative. Your home's going from just a shelter to a real partner, making your life better in ways you'll notice and in ways you won't. This shift will change not just how we live, but how we connect, work, and recharge in our own spaces. In this new world, every corner of your home can lift you up, give you energy, or help you chill out. Picture every room adjusting to your mood, supporting you through whatever your day throws at you, with just the right touch. Star Trek-style living isn't just a wild idea anymore. It's happening right now. From mood-based environments to smart modular setups, the homes of tomorrow are already being built. As all this tech gets better, the line between sci-fi and real life is going to blur. We're heading into a time where technology and people live together in perfect sync, right at home. The home of the future isn't just smart. It's thoughtful, caring, and built to help you be your best self. The days of boring, passive spaces are over. What's next is a living, breathing ecosystem that grows with you. Every part of your life gets a boost. We're stepping into an era where our homes don't just react, they evolve, sticking with us as we build a more connected, empowered life. So, hit subscribe, like, share, and turn on those notifications. This is Tech Mythos.